Hello. Today we will discuss customizing the Excel ribbon to meet your personal needs. This video will demonstrate how to set up your ribbon to organize your existing items, remove items that you do not need, rename a few tabs, and create a new tab and group. Making changes to your ribbon is easier than you think, and I'm looking forward to sharing this information with you. Let's go ahead and dive into the lesson now. Okay, so here we are on a blank Excel file. Let's go ahead and start by going to the back end where our updates will be made. Let's select File. Let's go ahead and select Options. Next, you want to go ahead and select Customize Ribbon. Now you want to go ahead and select Main Tabs if it's not already set by default. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to place my tabs in alphabetical order. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while I do that, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so now that my items are in alphabetical order, I'm going to go ahead and remove the Draw tab by simply deselecting it. Next, I'm going to get the drop down from my Home tab, and I'm going to go to Ideals. I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to go ahead and say Remove. Okay, and I will also go to my Review tab. I'm going to get my drop down. I'm going to select Ink, and I'm going to go ahead and say Remove. Since these are items that I will not use, I'm going to go ahead and remove them from my ribbon. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and say OK, and let's take a look at our results. So as you can see, my information is now in alphabetical order. Let's go to the Home tab, and you see the Ideal button is removed. Let's go to Review, and you see the Ink button is no longer visible. Okay. So next I would like to create a custom group. Let's go ahead back in. Let's go File. Let's say Options. Let's go ahead and say Customize Ribbon. And this time let's go ahead and say New Tab. And let's go ahead and give our tab a name by saying Rename. And let's just call this tab Udemy. Let's say OK. Let's go ahead and name the group that's inside of our Udemy tab. Let's go ahead and select it and say Rename. For demonstration purposes, let's go ahead and just call it Udemy Group. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a few command buttons. I'm going to select my group. I'm just going to add 3 or 4 command buttons. And then I'm just going to go ahead and say OK. Now let's go to the front of our application. And let's look at the Udemy tab that we just created. So now you see the Udemy tab is available. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. You see the Udemy group, and you also see the command buttons that I added. Okay, so now you have the tools you need to customize Excel to get the desired results for your ribbon. As you become more familiar with Excel, you'll determine the tools that you need and the items that can be removed. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this lesson. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you found this information helpful. So that wraps up this lesson from Microsoft Excel. I hope that you are getting the most out of these level up lessons. Please do let us know if you have questions or concerns. Take a break if you need to, and we will see you in the next video.